Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people, is happening. It will shock you to know. Court to hear motion on legality of the Rivers Assembly members moving from PDP to APC. Supreme Court has already decided on Wike that Wike needs to go and present to the House of Assembly, right, in Rivers State. Now, the people he's presenting to, are they even legal people? Meaning, are they the real people? Because according to the Constitution, the party that brought you in, if you leave that party and go to another party, you have lost your opportunity to be a lawmaker. Then INEC needs to conduct another election. But what has happened is these people came out on TV everywhere saying that they have moved. But guess what? They are deceiving everybody. And courts right now will be the one to decide on that matter. Don't forget that Wike has carefully arranged everything. But God, because what the Nigerian Supreme Court do is shock everybody. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Court to hear motion on legality of Rivers Assembly members moving from PDP to APC. A federal high court in Port Harcourt is set to hear a motion on Monday regarding the movement suit filed by the Labour Party against Martin and 26 other members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. During the previous hearing on March 11, 2025, the lawyer Nnobike San, the cause for Rivers State House of Assembly, informed the court that he has filed a motion on March the 10th urging the case to be dismissed. Nnobike argued that the Supreme Court ruling on February 28, 2025 has already resolved all the issues raised in the suit. He re-emphasized Section 267, subsection 1 of the 1999 Constitution as amended, maintaining that the Federal High Court was barred to adhere to the Supreme Court decision. However, Clifford Chike, the lawyer representing the Labour Party, opposed the motion. He argued that the Supreme Court ruling did not directly address the central issue of the suit, which challenges the legality of the lawmakers moving from the People Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress. Chike also emphasized that according to Section 272, subsection 3 of the 1999 Constitution, the Federal High Court has excluded jurisdiction over movement matter, including State House of Assembly members. Justice Emmanuel Obire of the Federal High Court in Port Harcourt ruled that the motion would be heard before any consideration of circumventing the case. Consequently, the court has adjourned the matter to Monday, March the 17th, 2025 at 2 p.m. for the motion hearing. All eyes are now on the Federal High Court as it decides whether to strike out the case or allow the suit to move forward. So this is the problem. Our very own brother is still very much on the case, talking about the person of Fubara, waiting to know if these guys are legally, are the legal persons to represent Rivers State in terms of, them being the lawmakers and the deciding factor. Because moving from one party to the other is a grave offense according to Nigerian Constitution, causing a serious occurrence of what is happening right now. So let's hear your thoughts as we begin to look into all of this. So whether you like it or not, these are very, very crucial matters that must be decided, looked upon very carefully for us to understand all that is going on. Enough is enough. We cannot continue with the same thing over and over again. How can we ignore the very constitution that makes up our law and we begin to pretend that we don't know exactly what is going on? Everybody is just shying away. Not that people are shying away, people know the truth, but because, what's happening right now, we have seen our very own brother Yesom Wike, and Supreme Court, taking a very drastic move saying, Fubara should go and, bow down, to the Supreme Court. It's just very, very unprecedented that all these things are happening and nobody is particularly speaking to ensure that at the end of the day, the truth is revealed so that we can move forward. There is so much lies, covered in all of this, so much lies. Everybody's wondering, you know, everybody's wondering when this change will definitely come. When we look at it, then we begin to wonder to ourselves, how did we get here? Just how did we get here in the first place? These are the people who should be telling us the truth. These are the people who should be honest and sincere. But guess what? You'll be surprised that none of them really sincerely have a clear-cut, direction on any of this, on what the law says and what the truth should be. These are the people who are doing everything, humanly speaking, possible to circumvent the law just because they want to prove that they are the ones who are in charge. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. So this is what is happening. This is what is going on. Well, Nigerians, how do we sort all of this? And how do we begin to ensure that truth is revealed? How do we ensure that truth is revealed? It's really terrible. So it's good that the court look upon this. It's good that the court, begins to rise up to the occasion, and the law is adhered to in ensuring that truth is dispensed. None of us will continue with the same thing over and over again and expect a different result. What is happening now is very, very important that everybody understand it. Everybody must understand it. You see? So let the court look at it. Let the court look at it and tell us what the true situation of this matter is. The court should look at it, and tell us what the truth, because the lies are just too much. The lies are just too much. It's very, very unprecedented that that these things are happening, and nobody is really all the signs. Look at what the Supreme Court did. Nobody has come to challenge it. At least, even if the Supreme Court has spoken, there should be a Supreme Council that should be able to look. Probably they are human. They are human. Probably they've made a mistake in some ruling and judgment that could be against. Have those things been thought about? So how did we get here? So let's call a spade and be honest and sincere and move forward. It is what it is. So my people, the time to make real advancement is now. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. From us, it's bye for now.